Hello guys, it's day number 70 of video journaling and it's your boy Astos Pradhan as usual here. And again I changed in my background because I just decided to do it in that place because you can feel that and you can enjoy the background with my watch. But why I'm doing it, what I'm doing from the last 69 days, if you want to know more about it and the purpose behind this channel, I will suggest go and watch this video then come back to this video. So I will go one by one what I did from my 8th of July of 5 p.m. to 9th of July of 5 p.m. Basically, I was sleeping at that time. I was sleeping my life away. I was not having the enough rest. That's fucking cringe. I don't know. Okay, I have the fault here. That's the guy was in the... Okay, my tripod is on the road, you can say, and it's a track. If you're going through any field, it's a track. So you have to go through that track. So my tripod is on the track. So he was kinda, you're a fucking idiot. What the hell you are doing here? Is in our language. He can say it in the right manner, but who cares? Fuck him. So yeah, I was sleeping my life away. Then I woke up and did my work. And the work is about the content work and the journaling and the SEO. And after doing the SEO stuff, I got an inbound lead, and that's the video editor. And he has a lot of knowledge in their field. Like he created the websites and he created the video and stuff. So I decided he can do video editing for me. So I said, okay, I will give you the opportunity. What's your charges? He said, just give me an opportunity. I will work you as an intern for first month, or also you have the knowledge in the social media and marketing. So I will get the knowledge from you. You can give me the testimonial. So I will want to work free for you. And I said, okay, bro, fine, because I was not investing much time in my shorts because I was just adding my subtitles and cropping out it from my long form videos. Then I said, can you make something more unique if you are giving time? So yeah, I will edit in the very good manner. So I okay with him. I was talking with him for like 1 hour because it will save me a time because he's a good guy too. I was talk and he has a very good understanding in all the stuff. So it's a good communicating and getting the people who want to help you. So I will give that opportunity to that guy. So yeah, and at around 9:30 I had my dinner. And after having my dinner, I was eating roti with that santula thing, and it's a mixed vegetable curry. After having that, again to 10 to 11, I got a message in my legacy room group, and our coach said, hey, we will have a call, but it will not about the coaching call, it will about his work. He is creating a sales page for his targeting to B2B people. Like he want to sell some courses or some value to B2B people who want to level up their marketing. So he is working on the email marketing and stuff. So he was creating a website, how he is creating, where he is creating, and all the stuff he was showing us last day. I joined it for like 30 minutes and find a lot of value, and also got how you create a VSL too. His VSL is solid because, and he mentioned one thing also, the cab, not the cab is the guy. Okay, so the thing I talk about, the English guy or the how my coach bombarded with the value from a gas station. So he's that guy. He's a fucking very crazy brand voice because he's that guy. So he talking about the ACO stuff and the VSL. And the VSL, he suggested me one thing to all of us. When you are creating anything VSL or any ad, go and search for the biggest competitor, what they are doing, what working for them. He did the research. He pointed out everything, what they are doing, in what point they are showing the visual presentation. Like if I'm talking with you, if I will come up with any visual presentation, in how much period of time I will come up with one of visual presentation, and it's at like 15 or 20 seconds. For every in 15 or 20 seconds, I have to give a visual presentation. So reader can be hooked and can do the work further. and it's about the capturing the attention. So it's hooking that reader and or the watcher, so he can end till the end to get the value and the to watch and to get the full information. And yeah, that's about the call. Then at 11 or 12 I went to bed, and I got already a alertness. Tomorrow I have to visit for these things. As you can see, these beautiful threads, and it's a very long story behind it. I will say you in the short. So yeah, there's a festival for these things, and how I will say further in the video. And I woke up at around like 8. My sister is like, you said you will walk up at 5:30, you will come to the place my uncle's house at around 6:30, so we will do all the job at the end of 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. so there will be no that much hot the sun effect, so you can get back to home and you can continue your work. But my lazy ass getting into the bed doing some crazy, not crazy, I mean lazy stuff. So I woke up at around 8:30, sorry 7:30. I prepared myself and having the breakfast till 8:30 or 8:45. Then I get my scooty on that. Then I in 45 to 50 minutes with having the ride on the roads via the jungles, and it's the jungle, the forest I will say. Most of the first world country people will not understand what is jungle. It's forest. There's a forest both of my side, there's a road, so there's a very good place to drive on, and there's also the river. It's a very good to feel the nature and drive with that. Let me check, someone is calling, or okay, the video is still recording. So yeah, because last time when I record my video my mom called me and everything fucked up. So yeah, so get there, have the celebration, and the festival is, it's about the, in India called Raksha Bandhan. So if you will go to why we celebrate and what's the reason behind it, there's a story in the Mahabharata, which is the one of the greatest event of the Indian mythology. So Krishna is our almighty god. Then Draupadi, he is also a princess of one kingdom. So once our Lord or Krishna got injured by some things, so his knee or wrist got injured. So what Draupadi did, he just take out one of his part of the sari and just ribbon it, I will say banded it. So in that time Krishna said, I will protect you in each and everything because you are my like sister. So there's the thing from that time period, in every single year from that time period, because it's saying about the bond between the sister and brother, because she's caring for you, you also have to protect her. So that's the thing here. It's also mutual. If you have the brother or brother, is also mutual, sister and sister. So sometimes you can see the brother and sister also, they are in the custom. And the thing, okay, and sorry, so I got distracted. Okay, that's about the thread thing. So that's where the thread comes in. From that, every single year we celebrate it to protect our siblings, to have the better relation, the bonding, and protecting each other and caring each other and loving each other. So that's the concept behind it. And there's also a funny concept behind it. Like nowadays everyone don't want to wear some rakhis and these threads because they are afraid if anyone's crush, if I have a crush on someone, if she will come to me and she will say, hey, I have a rakhi for you, and I'm gonna fucked up. That's the thing here. So today the dudes and boys are just getting high because they don't want to wear rakhis. So that's the funny thing here. So I have my only the family member, because I was not in my where I live for like 18 years. There I have a lot of my schoolmates, colleagues. So I'm in my village and at my uncle's house. So all the cousins, they all give me that 4. Actually 5 one is in the home because it's too big to occupy there. So yeah, that's what I did. We have conversation till and all that till 5 p.m. of today of 9th July. We had conversation, we had dinner, we had a party and tika. I don't know, you can see or not. No, okay, it's not there. Yeah, they wear tika, something a red color. You have to wear it then you have to, these flowers will be there. And yeah, it's a good thing to experience. Then we had a talk with my cousins and stuff. When we get back to home with my sister at around 3:30, by getting into some houses or like some of my relative houses, so my sister can wear them, uh, yeah, like give them the thread. So because there's a lot of brothers out there, it's not only about the own brother from own mother, it's also about the your surrounding, your neighborhood. It also depends, or your big family. So if anyone has your brother, so yeah, that's the thing. It's about the brotherhood. And yeah, that's what I can say for it now. And I get back, I had some, and in that time period I have a two lunch. As I know, I'm bulking. Last day I didn't go to gym because it's, you can say that's the rest day. I was resting. And today I get back to walk. So I will finish that video, then I will get back to walk. I think that's it for day 70. There's a lot of festival day for me, for my family, and all of the people who are Indian or Hindu. So yeah, happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you, and thanks for watching, and see you with the better improvement and better things. And if you didn't watch my recent video on the YouTube, you can go and watch this video. And if you want to know about me more, what I did in my day 60 to day 70, day 61 to day 70, you can go and watch this playlist. And see you in the next video. Tada, bye bye, see ya, thanks for watching.